Hey guys, I'm back. Sorry for the cut. I just had to get this microphone here. So, we already opened this. We got the squid. We got the glow squid. Here's all the options if you want to read through. Okay. Next, we're going to do the Stitch keycaps. One keycap and one mystery key snap and one. Okay. It's actually double. So, what? I let you guys have the first thing. What I get? I got the No More Stitch. As you can hear, two different switches. And on the other thing. At first I thought these were calls, but no, they're not. Okay. Here's all we could of what we could have got. I kind of wanted to see what the original was. I mean, the mystery. Wait a minute. No. We just got a mystery one. Okay. Next, we got the Moto Jones squishies. Here's all we can get. We can get Tessa, Sinessa, Uzi, which I already have, J, V, and Moto Jones. What I get? Let you guys have the first look. Here's that on the bottom. Hey, I got in! He's also scented. We got Moto Jones. I'm gonna go get Uzi to show you. Here we have Uzi. And they're both scented. I'm gonna set these two right here. And the final two. The Fagno. We're excited about this one. Here's the packaging. And there's really nothing on the back, so really excited about this one. Which one did I get? I got the little black cat. I didn't even know there was a black cat. Oh, they got a little thing right here. Fagno Ugly Monsters fashion bag accessory. He's all I could have gotten. Got this one right here. Okay. Put all of these bags this side. And last of all, the slime. I know this isn't really a mystery bag, but still. I mean, it says what toppings you'll get, but still. So it counts as a mystery bag. I got the kiwi scented one because everything was sold out. I'm gonna bite this thing. can't even. Oh my. This video is gonna be 1 hour long. Okay, that's the strat. I had to bite it. So. I'm just gonna open it up. Oh. Need a straw. Put it back in. Got the kiwis. And get it all. Open it. Open it. I said open it up. Please. Yeah, I couldn't open that. That's hard to open. How many protective layers? Oh my god! Why do you need this much protective layers? Nothing's gonna happen to your slime. Not even my teeth will work. I wish I had some scissors. You get it? Yeah. And then finally, we got our slime. Really big. Oh. Oh! It changes at the store. It's right here. It's white, and right there it's green. I'm gonna add all of this right here. Got some of it on my hand. So, and then I'm going to add these ones, which should be less of a mess. And then I'd say very fun to play with. So I think with all of this, we got all of our accessories. Well, see you later, guys. Bye!